Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem. Just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is problem number 67, add binary. So I'm going to read out the spec here. Given two binary strings A and B, return their sum as a binary string. So A is 1, 1, which in binary is 3. Yeah, 3. And B is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And this is the output, 4 in binary. Here, again, I'm not going to bother trying to convert these, but this is some number in binary, this is some number in binary. When you add them together, this is the binary representation of that. Length is between 1 and 10 to the power 4. It's going to contain only zeros or ones, and it doesn't have any leading zeros. So, just going to swap over to my notes here. So my idea is take each number, convert to integer, e.g. 3 or 0 or 1 0 is equal to 2. Then we'll make it a bit. Do 1 0 0 is equal to, is that going to be 5? 1 2 4 6. 6, sorry. That's going to be equal to 6. Take each number, convert to integer, add the two numbers, return the binary representation of that number. I don't know how we're going to do the last step or the first step, but I'm pretty sure there'll be some sort of Python function that we can find that will do that. Okay. So first thing we'll just do is look for Python function binary to decimal. There we go. So it looks like int. Okay, and you can literally just use the int, and it will convert it. So if we do int, so okay, let's just do print, and then we're going to do a, comma 2. Oh, sorry, int a, comma 2. So this should return the integer value that is represented by that binary. So yeah, we get 3. Okay. So decimal to binary is format, but with this B flag. Okay. So let's see. We'll just say a int is equal to a int a. So I'm just going to do it in more than one step so we can be a bit clearer. B int is going to be the same thing but with b. And then we're going to say sum int is going to be equal to a underscore int plus b underscore int. And then binary, or we're going to say sum underscore binary or bin is equal to format sum underscore int comma b, and then we can just return sum underscore bin. to return. This could easily be done in one line, but just separate it into a couple of lines to make this a bit more clear. And accepted. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know and leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution to this which was maybe a bit more efficient or just different, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.